my money raw. Yeah, I'm looking at the bank statements. I do not want to tell. Yeah, nuts with my gang.
What's up, guys? Today I have an exciting video for you, and that is the Lola Box. Lola Box is a monthly subscription. It costs $21 a month. It is mainly makeup and skincare, and Lola not doing so well. They never responded. Last month I had it was the month before last. I had posted a video and said that I wanted to see how their customer service was because I heard a lot of bad experiences. So I just wanted to see for myself what my experience would be like. So I reached out to them and said that I had a broken item. I sent 4 emails. No response. No response whatsoever. Nothing. And then I didn't get my box last month. And so I sent them a message and I said, I haven't received my box. And then, did I get a response on that one? Or no, they sent me a tracking number and it was the beginning of May. And I responded with, is this for April or May? And they responded with May. And I said, well, where's my April box? And I haven't gotten a response. So, needless to say, I'm not happy. And also when I responded to say I haven't received my April, I mentioned that I also had a broken item. Nothing. Like, what the heck? So, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with their customer service. It is crazy that us as consumers need to be punished by horrible customer service in the staff. Is this the owner? Is this I don't know. But I did see for myself, and man, am I frustrated. So I open it up and I get a card, and does this say April or May on it? It says, spring is the time to blossom. And it has that on there. So is spring April? I don't know. But it looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. And I'll see if I got an extra item and they just didn't respond. I don't know. I will start at the top and we'll go over prices at the end. And I am going to start with this very top item here. Moorea Beauty Makeup Melting Milk Cleanser. This says gentle cleanser in a milky formulated that softly melts into your skin, that dissolves makeup, intensely moisturizes, and formulated without harsh irritants. Well, that's good to know. And this is a nice generous amount. And it's an affordable price at $10, so if you really like it, because getting your mascara off at the end of the day can be a very tough feat sometimes. And I love receiving tools. Absolutely love receiving tools. Okay, IBY Beauty Radiant Glow Multitasking Brush. IBY Beauty Radiant Glow Multitasking Brush. This brush has the ability to brush blush to the apples of the cheeks, highlight and blend with ease. And this is a nice size brush. Yeah, that's really nice size brush. It's soft. It's really soft. I like that. Very nice. It has a nice big barrel. I like the larger size. I don't know why, but it doesn't really make a difference. But the next item in here is by Bella Pierre Cosmetics Cheek and Lip Stain. Add a pop of color to your complexion with this Bella Pierre Cosmetic Cheek and Lip Stain. Oil-free formula that delivers a healthy glow. Okay, let's give this a nice swatch. It says it's oil-free. I don't see any buildup of condensation or anything. Oh, that's really pretty. It's a soft color. I will give this a try. Very nice. And then the next item is Eye Bloom by Beauty Creations. And this is an eyeshadow palette. Let's give it a look. Ooh, those are some pretty colors. How did it get pink, like the inside in there? That's weird. But That's what it looks like. It has some very pretty cool tones. I love this one, this one over here. Those are beautiful. The one thing that I notice of this is that there is 8 shimmers and then there's only 4 mattes. I wish there was more mattes in here to balance the palette out, but there is just really pretty colors in there. These are colors that I really get into and I wear a lot. So I'm excited to give this a try. So that's Eye Bloom by Beauty Creations. And then the last item in here is an eyeliner. This is Intense Black and it's by Lord & Berry. Let's give this a swatch. Oh, okay. Alright, it's not very pigmented. It's kind of pale. Maybe I'll leave it upside down and see if it just needs to. Let's try to shake it up just for fairness. Oh yeah, that darkened it up, the bottom one there. Okay. So I really like this box. Let's go over some prices. The Lord & Berry liner is $25. That's ridiculous. I'd never pay that much for that. The brush is $10. Bella Pierre cheek and lip is $20. Okay. The Milk Cleanser is $10 and the eyeshadow palette is $14.99. So I'm not happy. I don't know what to do. Do I cancel? You know, if they're skipping months and they're taking my money, they're not responding, I think I'm left with no choice but to cancel. It's frustrating because I want to receive this box. I like the items that I'm getting. But if they're sending me broken products with no resolve and skipping months on me, then it's time to cancel. I don't think I have a choice unless I just want to do nothing. So let me know your guys' thoughts. What would you do? And it's just very frustrating, and all the rumors that I've heard are very much indeed true because it happened to me and I want to receive the box. I want to buy it. So anyways, very frustrating. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know your guys' thoughts and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.